Diamond Mount channel, welcome. Right, this video is a preview of the latest full instructional guide. We're making a pear-shaped pendant, and I made it in a way with beginners in mind. So relatively simple, but as always with my videos, I always encourage you to work carefully, try to work skillfully, so slow right down and try to be accurate, and then you end up with a good finished result. So with beginners in mind, I made it as simple as possible, achieved things that were normally a bit more tricky by doing it more simply. Yeah, with beginners in mind. So if you've got a little bit of experience with soldering, filing, cutting and just using your pliers, you shouldn't have too much difficulty making this. So yeah, it's quite a nice little thing. Look, if you've got pear-shaped stone, you can make a nice little pendant. Just a simple ring on top, no fancy hanging loops or anything. That works fine. And if you had a stone with a bit of value, even in silver, that'll be worth a chunk to sell online. So perhaps have a go and then take it a step further, put it online for sale, try and make yourself some money, why not? So we'll get into the video. I'll start the video after I said thank you to these new patrons. We've got Heaterson, Andy Greenhall, Jeff, Pam Beck, Jeff Beck, Jeff and Pam Beck, Emmanuel Spitaloriakis, Adam and Gerald Rodriguez. Thank you very much, guys. If you want to see the video in its entirety, you need to become a patron yourself. So you can go to patron.com/diamondmounter. There's a link in the description anyway. Yeah, you get extra perks of becoming a Diamond Mounter patron. But yeah, if you want to get access to the full instructional guides, you need to become a patron, either a classic or official patron. So yeah, links in the description, click on that, and then you can yeah, get on your way to seeing not only this full instructional guide, but all of them. It's like a monthly subscription, yeah? It's not like a contract. It's not like you click in and get into it and can't get out of it. You can just come and go. Loads of people just pay for a short time and then leave again. Totally fine, do what you want, whatever suits you. This is not about taking money off people, it's just getting a little bit of financial help to continue making videos. So yeah, if you want to become a patron, it would help me out immensely and I'd be very grateful. But also, there's benefits for you as well. So get access to all the full instructional guides, just like a whole folder full of jewelry making courses basically for just literally as little as £5 a month. So yeah, I hope you join, and if not, you're welcome just to watch the free videos as normal. Everybody's welcome, just take what you want, and yeah, hopefully I can give you some advice that will enable you to increase your skill as a jeweler. Right, let's get into it. Buff paper, buff stick over the top so the surface is all nice and flat and clean now. So now we're going to put the stone on there upside down so it just sits on top. And then once that's in there and that's got a good position, I like the height, its angles and stuff is sitting, quite happy with it. Then I'll cut around the outside because then that's really... I did a bit more cutting with the saw, and then I don't know if you can see on camera, there's a bit of an edge taken away, just use that ball burr. But like I just showed you how I was working on it. All right, check this out, it's a little trick I've been doing recently. Cut off a sort of longish triangle of quite smooth paper, get a small needle file, just line it up with the point. There you go. That just helps me get right up to the point. It gets more difficult to finish as you get closer to the end, because obviously it becomes more of a sharp, delicate little thing, but things to watch out for. Just get the left side identical to the right side, and then you can't go too far wrong. Start off with a nice, I've got a little pot of bits here. That's too chunky. There you go, I think that's better. You see my groove? Stone's in there. I don't want to go any deeper. I don't want to go into the claw more because it's going to make the claw weak. It's sitting in there nicely. They're both pretty nice. Plenty of opportunity to make it more advanced with like drilled out for pave, gallery wire, more domed, fancy loop. You can do a lot with this. I may even continue with it and maybe make a more difficult version and then have it as a ring as well.